Welcome to this 3-minute thumbnail challenge. We start right away. First we need a background and we generate it with MidJourney. We use the aspect ratio 16:9 and chaos 50, so we get some variations, and hopefully MidJourney is doing it fast. I want to do this video without cuts, so come on, MidJourney. %, in 46%. I think we take the first one. Yeah, we will take the first one. So upscale the first one. Come on, 1 minute 20 in. Okay, we click on it, save image. We name it thumbnail 1, thumbnail 10, .png. Next thing is we head over to Canva. We choose YouTube thumbnail and oh my god, now I have to find my thumbnail. Just drag and drop it into Canva. So now I want to flip it because I want it on the left side. Make it bigger. Then the next thing we need is expression. This is always really helpful, and I made this picture today with MidJourney. I created a library of expressions. I removed the background. You can also use free tools. So now we need text. So fast, we only have 40 seconds left. I always use the Nunito Sans text create. Now I use the effect, the neon effect. I make it bigger, and then I use the white color. You can hardly read it, so maybe we just take a gray. Then I duplicate it, epic, and we go for this color. And oh my god, I failed. Thumbnails. Holy, 3 minutes. It's not easy to do it in 3 minutes. But let's end the process. But now we finished the thumbnail, so I would now say we make 3 minutes. Even if it's not true, you watched until here, so I can see this. Now we have to adjust. The colors in the background. The darker. Now we make me outstanding. Click on edit photo, shadows, outline. Then we make a white background, we make a blur amount, and we bring this into the front. And yeah, it took me 4 minutes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the clickbait, and see you in the next video. Bye.